Have you ever wondered why some lifestyle habits are considered unhealthy? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? We hear a lot about healthy habits: exercising, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, the list goes on. But what about the other side of the coin? The habits that are potentially harming our health and well-being, often in ways that we don't even realize. Today we're going to delve into the world of unhealthy lifestyle habits, those hidden secrets that might be lurking in your daily routine. Unhealthy habits can be like invisible enemies, subtly undermining our health and well-being. They can range from the obvious, like smoking or overindulging in junk food, to the less conspicuous, like sitting for long periods or not getting enough sunlight. These habits might seem harmless, especially when we're young and feel invincible, but over time they can accumulate, leading to a range of health issues from obesity to heart disease, diabetes, and even mental health problems. The impact of these habits extends beyond our physical health. They can also affect our mental and emotional well-being, our relationships, and our productivity. They can rob us of energy, make us feel sluggish or irritable, and even undermine our self-esteem. That's why it's so crucial to understand and recognize these habits. By bringing them into the light, we can take steps to change them, improving not just our health, but our overall quality of life. Understanding unhealthy habits is a bit like solving a puzzle. Each piece represents a different habit, and the picture it forms is unique to each of us. Some of us might have a few pieces of the puzzle in place, while others might have a jumble of pieces waiting to be sorted. But no matter where we are in our journey, it's never too late to start making changes. So, are you ready to uncover the hidden secrets of unhealthy habits? Are you ready to take a closer look at the invisible enemies that might be lurking in your daily routine? It's time to shine a light on these habits, to understand them, and to take control of your health. Let's dive into some of the unhealthy habits that we often overlook. Starting with the first habit, did you know that excessive screen time can impact your health negatively? That's right. It's not just a matter of sore eyes or a stiff neck. Spending hours in front of a screen can lead to a sedentary lifestyle, which can increase the risk of obesity, heart disease, and other health issues. Moving on to the second habit, skipping breakfast. You've probably heard it before, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's not just an old wives' tale. Skipping breakfast can lead to increased hunger throughout the day, leading to overeating and weight gain. It can also affect your energy levels and mood, and even increase your risk of diabetes and heart disease. Third on our list, late-night snacking. We all know that feeling of craving a midnight snack. But did you know that late-night snacking can disrupt your sleep cycle and lead to weight gain? Your body needs time to digest before going to sleep, and eating late at night can interfere with this process. Now let's talk about the fourth habit, lack of physical activity. It's no secret that exercise is crucial for our health, but many of us still fall short of getting the recommended amount of physical activity each day. A lack of exercise can lead to weight gain, decreased muscle strength and flexibility, and increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Finally, the fifth habit, the overconsumption of processed foods. These convenient, ready-to-eat meals might save us time, but they come with a cost. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can lead to weight gain, heart disease, diabetes, and other health problems. These are just a few habits that we tend to overlook. Each of these habits, though seemingly small, can have a significant impact on our health. So the next time you find yourself reaching for that remote or skipping breakfast, remember the potential consequences, and consider making a healthier choice instead. Moving on, how often do you find yourself sitting for extended periods? This is our sixth unhealthy habit. In our modern technology-driven world, it's easy to find ourselves glued to our desks, barely moving for hours on end. Although it might seem harmless, prolonged sitting can lead to a host of health issues including obesity, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. Make it a point to stand up and move around every 30 minutes or so. Next on our list is insufficient sleep. In the hustle and bustle of our busy lives, we often sacrifice sleep to get more done. But did you know that consistently getting less than 7 hours of sleep a night can lead to serious health problems? These include weakened immunity, increased risk of heart disease, and impaired cognitive function. Prioritize your sleep. It's not just about feeling rested, but also about maintaining your overall health. Our eighth unhealthy habit is ignoring mental health. In our society, physical health often takes precedence, but mental health is equally important. Chronic stress, anxiety, and untreated mental health disorders can lead to physical ailments like heart disease and a weakened immune system. Remember, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. Now let's talk about hydration. Not drinking enough water is our 9th unhealthy habit. Dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and even affect your mood and cognitive function. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Your body will thank you. And finally, we come to excessive caffeine intake. That 3rd or 4th cup of coffee might seem necessary to get through the day, but too much caffeine can lead to sleep issues, high blood pressure, and anxiety. Try to limit your caffeine intake. And remember, there are other ways to boost your energy levels. These habits may seem trivial, but they can have a significant impact on our health. So take a moment to reflect. Are any of these habits part of your daily routine? Remember, it's never too late to make a change for the better. Ever thought that your daily cup of joe could be a harmful habit? Let's shed some light on that. Overconsumption of caffeine is our 11th unhealthy habit. A little caffeine can give you a much-needed morning boost. However, relying too much on it can lead to dependence, insomnia, heart palpitations, and even anxiety. So next time you reach out for that extra cup of coffee, think twice. Moving on, let's talk about dental hygiene. It's easy to brush off, pun intended, but ignoring it is our 12th unhealthy habit. Neglecting your pearly whites can lead to more than just bad breath and cavities. It can also cause gum disease, which has been linked to heart disease and diabetes. Remember, a healthy mouth is a gateway to a healthy body. Our 13th unhealthy habit is one many of us are guilty of: ignoring regular health checkups. It's easy to skip that doctor's appointment when you're feeling fine, but regular checkups are crucial for catching potential health issues before they become serious. Prevention is always better than cure, and that's especially true when it comes to your health. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: smoking. This 14th unhealthy habit is a major risk factor for numerous health issues, including lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Despite the well-known risks, many people continue to smoke. If you're a smoker, it's never too late to quit and start reaping the health benefits. Finally, our 15th unhealthy habit is excessive alcohol consumption. An occasional glass of wine or beer isn't harmful, but drinking heavily and regularly can lead to serious health problems, such as liver disease, heart problems, and an increased risk of certain cancers. Moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. These habits can gradually take a toll on our health if not addressed. So let's make a pact to start addressing these habits today. It's never too late to start making healthier choices. Remember, every little change can make a big difference in your overall health. Finally, have you ever considered how your social habits could affect your health? Let's delve into the final batch of unhealthy habits. Firstly, social isolation. As social beings, we thrive on connection. Prolonged isolation can lead to mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Secondly, ignoring personal hygiene. It's more than just smelling nice. Poor hygiene can lead to skin infections, dental problems, and more. Third on the list, not wearing sunscreen. Even on cloudy days, harmful UV rays can damage our skin, increasing the risk of skin cancer. Next, we have ignoring eye health. Staring at screens without rest can strain our eyes, leading to headaches and vision problems. Lastly, the overuse of earphones. Cranking up the volume can cause noise-induced hearing loss over time. Remember, moderation is key. These habits, although often overlooked, can significantly impact our health. So, it's time to pay attention and make the necessary changes for a healthier life. To wrap up, let's revisit the 20 unhealthy habits we've discussed today. We've explored a range of habits, from seemingly harmless ones like excessive screen time and skipping breakfast, to more concerning behaviors like smoking and lack of physical activity. We've also shed light on less talked about habits, such as poor posture, chronic stress, and even neglecting dental hygiene. Each of these habits, in their own way, contributes to an overall decrease in our health and well-being. They may seem small, inconsequential even, but over time, they can lead to more serious health issues. Importantly, awareness is the first step towards change. By understanding the impact of these habits, we're better equipped to make healthier choices. Remember, recognizing and addressing these habits can lead to a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.